bit glum actually. What's wrong?
Well, just done my shopping, I've got all my cleaning to do, it's getting down.
I'll tell you what, I'll send Henry over later. He'll sort it all out for you.
Okay, thanks.
Alright, bye then.
Hello, I'm Henry. I thought you might need a hand.
Thanks, Henry. I've had a lovely afternoon.
It's been a pleasure.
Where's my Henry? He should have been back ages ago. I'm sorry about that.
Brighten up your household chores. Try Henry.
Thank you, me with a smile.